In the quest to optimize our living spaces, the concept of room dividers has evolved beyond mere functionality, becoming a canvas for creativity and style. From lush living walls of plants to innovative broken plan arrangements, there's a myriad of room divider ideas catering to every home and budget. In this video, we'll explore how dividing a room not only adds a touch of practicality, but also transforms your living space into a dynamic, multifunctional haven. Living wall of plants. One enchanting room divider idea is to bring nature indoors with a living wall of plants. This green solution not only adds a breath of fresh air to your space, but also serves as a visually stunning barrier. Whether you're looking to infuse a touch of nature into your home office or create a serene atmosphere in your bedroom, a living wall is a versatile and eco-friendly option. Broken plan arrangement. For those seeking a modern and dynamic approach to room division, the broken plan arrangement is a trendsetter. Instead of traditional solid walls, strategically placed furniture and design elements create subtle partitions. This not only opens up the space but also allows for seamless transitions between different functional zones. Ideal for smaller homes, the broken plan arrangement fosters a sense of openness while maintaining a sense of privacy. Double-duty furniture. Maximizing space efficiency is key, especially when working with limited square footage. Enter double-duty furniture as a smart room divider solution. Bookshelves, folding screens, or modular furniture can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, serving the dual purpose of storage and space division. This approach is particularly useful for those who desire flexibility in their living arrangements. Artistic screens and panels. Elevate the style quotient of your space with artistic screens and panels. Whether crafted from wood, metal, or other materials, these decorative dividers can become focal points in any room. Choose designs that resonate with your personal style to add a touch of artistry while effectively dividing your space. This option is perfect for those who view their living space as a canvas for self-expression. In the pursuit of a functional yet visually appealing living space, room dividers emerge as versatile solutions. From the organic charm of living walls to the contemporary allure of broken plan arrangements, there's a myriad of options to suit every taste and budget. By incorporating these creative ideas, you can transform your living space into a dynamic haven that adapts to your lifestyle, providing both privacy and aesthetic delight. Explore the possibilities and redefine the way you experience your home. The power of open furniture as room dividers takes center stage. This innovative approach not only adds functionality, but also maintains an open and airy ambience. Interior design experts Martin Waller and Ed O'Donnell share insights into how open shelving and furniture can be artfully incorporated to create distinct zones, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Open furniture emerges as a stylish and practical choice, offering a harmonious balance between function and aesthetics. The insights from design luminaries Martin Waller and Ed O'Donnell emphasize the versatility of open shelving, transforming it into a canvas for both visual and sensory pleasures. As you embark on dividing your space with open elegance, remember the importance of thoughtful furniture selection and a cohesive color palette to achieve a seamless and sophisticated living environment. Elevate your home with the artful integration of open furniture, where functionality meets flair. Open furniture for zoning. Martin Waller, the visionary founder of interior design company Andrew Martin, advocates for an easy yet effective room divider idea, utilizing open furniture. Cabinets, etagere bookcases, or shelving can be strategically placed to delineate different zones within a room without sacrificing natural light or creating a closed-in feeling. This approach seamlessly blends functionality with style, offering a versatile solution for those seeking a dynamic living space. Enhancing atmosphere shelving. Ed O'Donnell, the creative mind behind design house Angel O'Donnell, suggests taking the concept a step further by using open shelving as a canvas for sensory delights. Placing scented diffusers, candles, or vibrant succulents and plants on open shelves not only adds visual appeal, but also contributes to enhancing the air quality of the room. This dual-purpose approach transforms room dividers into curated displays that engage multiple senses. The key to a successful open furniture room divider lies in thoughtful selection. According to Martin Waller, it's crucial to consider both furniture and colors to ensure they seamlessly complement the overall design scheme. Avoiding overly bold contrasts between different areas prevents a harsh aesthetic.